Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Real-Time Vehicle Accident Detection and a Tracking System using a GSM, GPS and Arduino. So in this project we are using 1.59 volts adapter and it convert to 5 volts pure DC output and it gives to Arduino Uno R3 80 Mega 328 development board. Arduino board. Okay. So GSM SIM 900A, it is connected with the RX, TX and 0 and 1. GPIO pin number, serial communication. Okay, so external serial communication, fourth pin, it is connected to the GPS module, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module. It will take the latitude longitude from the satellite, exact location of the place. So here we are using ADXL335 accelerometer sensor connected to the A0 A1 analog pin, X coordinate and Y coordinate, and a 16 cross 2 LC display connected with the RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So GPIO pin number 16 cross 2 LC display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So alarm connected to the 6th pin and engine motor connected to the 7th pin. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using 0 to 9 volt and 1 ampere adapter power source, and it connected to the GSM module, GSM SIM 900A module. Okay, so here we are using one SIM card, Idea SIM card, 3G SIM card. Press down, it will come outside. Okay, so here you need to insert the SIM card slowly. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Okay, press up, lock the SIM card, press down, it will unlock the SIM card. Slowly insert the SIM card. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volt power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, reset pin and USB programming. And the 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, it is connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pin number, GPIO pin number. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So RX 0 and 1 connected to the Max 232 board, and this is RX 232 cable. So this is alarm and engine, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module and antenna, and ADXL335 accelerometer sensor, right accident, left accident, back accident. Okay, so now I'm going to start the power supply. Real-time vehicle accident detection and tracking using GSM, GPS and Arduino. Latitude value, longitude value. GPS LED is blinking. If it is not blinking, press down and reset it. If it is blinking, go upside only. So initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. So X coordinate value, Y coordinate value, normal. The engine is on. Okay, engine is on. So now I'm going to, okay, so left accident. Otherwise you can do it like this also, left accident. Okay, if it is a minor accident, press reset button. So it is a minor accident, then it will start from the main function. Latitude value, longitude value, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. X coordinate value, Y coordinate value, normal, engine on. So now I am taking as a left accident. Okay, so it is a major accident. There is no reset, we are not pressing reset button. Major accident, left accident, sending SMS. Sending SMS, message sent. Left accident, latitude value 227, time is 227. Okay, so if you press it, okay, it will show the Google Map location, svsembedded. Okay, so now it is normal. Now I am pressing, now I am going for the right accident. right accident, right accident, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, if you press it, it will show you the map. So now I'm going for the back accident. Back accident. So once again, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 185 volts power supply module, GSM SIM 900A, Max 232 board, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor, and GPS GY 6MV2 GPS module, GPS antenna, motor, engine, alarm. Then back accident, latitude value, longitude value. Open it. Now it is working. Okay, now we are going for the front accident. Power supply, GSM SIM 900A, GPS module, Arduino Uno R3 port, ADXL 335, 16 cross to LCD display, alarm and engine. Sending SMS, message sent. Yeah, front accident. So all 4 SMS are came. Okay. Thanking you.